Example, independent or dependent. Decide whether the two events in these experiments are independent or dependent. Remember that dependent events depend on each other. So if one event occurs, it affects the second or the following event. And so we think of it that way. And independent means they don't affect each other. There are lots of good examples, but here we have one. Part A, you flip a coin and note the result. Then flip the coin again and note the result. Does the outcome of the first coin flip affect the outcome of the second coin flip? Well, no, of course it doesn't. So these are independent events. Independent events because the first does not have any bearing on the second. Part B. You have a dozen donuts where 10 are glazed and 2 are chocolate. You randomly eat a donut and then eat a second donut. You're interested in the probability both donuts were chocolate. So does the first event affect the second event? And the answer is yes. Because if you randomly eat a donut, you have now changed the probability that the second donut is going to be chocolate or not chocolate. So these are dependent events. That's what we're thinking about. Does the first have some bearing on the second? Does it change the outcome or the chance of an outcome in the second event? If the answer is yes, then they are dependent. If they do not affect each other, they are independent.